Hi, I'm Dario with 4seating.com, and today we'll be showing you how to replace your accent panel on your home theater seat. Now today we're working on this non-lighted and this lighted panel. Both panels' installation is exactly the same. So to get started, let's go ahead and put the chair on its back and disconnect the power. The seat we're working on today is a Seatcraft Veloce. It's one of Seatcraft's higher end seats. All right, we're going to grab our new panel, set it here aside. We're going to use that in just a bit. To have access to the inside, it has this nice Velcro opening, and that allows access to the inside. Now, it has two wing nuts, one about 3 to 4 inches from the bottom, and the other one's going to be about 2/3 of the way up the panel. So to get started, I'm going to put my hand inside. All right, this is a wing nut. This is exactly what they'll look like. I'm going to put that aside and unscrew the second one. All right, here you go. Now to take the panel off, I'm going to gently push up on it from the inside. All right, and now I'm going to grab it from the top and just pull straight up. Now this is the lighted panel, so there's power going to it, and there's a quick disconnect right here. Now this is a quick disconnect, just unplug it, and that's about it. We're going to grab our new panel, bring it down here, and we're going to reuse these bolts right here. Perfect. All right, so we're going to grab our panel, bring it back up. First thing we're going to do is reconnect the power. And that just clips right back in. All right. Make sure the cable is nicely tucked inside. All right, now the panel's in. We'll grab our wing nuts, and we're just going to screw them down. So the installation is going to be the same for either the right or left-handed armrest. All right, now the installation is done. We're going to go ahead and close the panel up. We're going to put the chair back up and then power it up. And then we're going to test it. All right, it looks like everything's working correctly. So I just want to thank you for your time today. If you have any further questions or concerns, please contact 4seating.com.